In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate with others on Google Sites fast and easy. If you're looking to work together with teammates or friends on a website project through Google Sites, you're in the right place. It's an incredibly useful platform for collectively creating amazing web pages, and the process to start collaborating is brilliantly straightforward. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, let's get started by opening your browser and searching for Google Sites. Type in Google Sites in the search bar and hit Enter. You will be directed to a page listing several results related to Google Sites. What you want to do here is select the link that takes you directly to the Google Sites homepage. It's usually the first or second link and pretty easy to spot. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the main Google Sites dashboard. Once you're on the Google Sites dashboard, the next step is to select the site you wish to collaborate on. If you've already started a project, it should be visible on your dashboard. Simply look through the list of your existing sites and click on the one you want to open for collaboration. This will bring up the editing interface for that particular site. Now that you have your site open, the next thing you want to do is locate the Share button. This essential tool facilitates teamwork, allowing you to invite others to view or edit your site. The Share button is usually situated in the upper right corner of the site interface and is quite visible. Click on this button to proceed. After clicking the Share button, a window will pop up where you can enter the email addresses of the people you wish to invite. It's important to use their correct email information to ensure they receive your invite. Type in the email address in the designated field, and you can add multiple email addresses if necessary by separating them with commas. Once you've entered the appropriate email addresses, the following step is crucial: choosing the roles for your collaborators. Google Sites gives you the flexibility to assign different levels of access. You have two main options here: editor and viewer. An editor can edit and manage the site, giving them the capability to make changes directly. On the other hand, a viewer can only view the site, which comes in handy if your site or project is still a draft. Decide which role suits each collaborator best, depending on how you want them to interact with the site. Finally, after selecting the roles, you're ready to send out those invitations. Simply click on the Send button to dispatch your invites. Once sent, your collaborators will receive an email giving them direct access to your site based on the role you've assigned them. And there you have it. You now know how to quickly set up collaboration on Google Sites. It's a powerful way to harness collective creativity and effort. Thanks for tuning in, and start building something amazing together with your team today.